A taste of Oaxaca, the mighty Tlayuda. Tlayuda. It's a big, crispy tortilla. Think of it like a Mexican pizza. From Oaxaca, Mexico. It's street food, but amazing. Crunchy, fresh, and flavorful. Tlayudas are special. They show Oaxaca's food traditions, made with simple ingredients. But the flavors are complex. Each bite is an adventure. You taste the corn tortilla, you get the creamy beans, then the fresh toppings. It's a party in your mouth. Let's gather our ingredients. First, large Tlayuda tortillas. These are key. Next, refried beans. Black beans are classic. Now the toppings. Quesillo cheese is a must. It's stringy and delicious. Let's add some heat. Salsa roja, please. Optional, chapulines, crunchy roasted crickets. Trust me. For freshness, chopped cabbage and onions. A few slices of avocado. Divine. Lastly, cilantro and lime wedges. First, heat your comal. No comal? Use a griddle. Warm your tortilla until it's pliable. Spread a thin layer of beans. Then sprinkle on that quesillo cheese. Time for the toppings. Cabbage, onions, avocado. Drizzle with salsa. Feeling brave? Add those chapulines. Heat until the cheese melts. The tortilla should be crispy. Fold it in half or keep it open. Your choice. Your Tlayuda is ready. Garnish with cilantro. Serve with lime wedges. A cold Mexican beer? Perfect. Remember, Tlayudas are messy. That's part of the fun. Eat it with your hands. Savor the flavors. Tlayudas are more than food. They represent family, tradition, and Oaxaca's vibrant culture. Enjoy.